In this video, we are going to walk you through the steps of effective hand washing. Proper hand washing is a critical practice in maintaining hygiene and preventing the spread of infections. Removal rings, bracelets, and watches. For the process, the first thing you need to do is wet your hands with clean running water, either warm or cold. This step helps to remove loose debris and prepares your hands for soap. Next, apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub your hands together to create a lather. Soap breaks down oils on your skin where bacteria and other pathogens can adhere. Rub the back of each hand with the palm of the opposite hand. Use a back and forth motion, making sure to cover the entire back surface. Interlace your fingers and rub your hands together to clean between each finger. Now make a fist with one hand and place it in the palm of the other hand. Rotate your clenched fist to scrub the knuckles effectively. Repeat with the other hand. Enclose your left thumb with your right hand and rotate it, cleaning thoroughly. Repeat for the right thumb. To clean under the nails, rub your fingertips against the opposite palm in a circular motion. Do it with the other hand. And don't forget to scrub your wrists as well. Rinse your hands well under clean running water. This will remove the soap along with the loosened dirt, oils, and pathogens. If you don't have a hands-free operated faucet, leave the water running. Get clean paper towels to dry your hands. And to avoid recontaminating your hands, you can use your elbow to turn off the tap or the paper towel you use to dry your hands. Effective hand washing should take at least 20 seconds. A good way to time this is by humming the happy birthday song twice.